In this video, I will show you how I draw a realistic face in a step-by-step process. If you struggle with proportions, this will help you. I start with the guidelines to place the proportions of this subject. I basically use the Loomis method for this part. I draw a circle for the top of the head, then I find the thirds of the face. Usually the thirds of the face are equal, but in this case, I will make the bottom third longer because of perspective. After placing the basic proportions, now it's time to add the features. I like to start with the nose, then I use it to find the mouth and the eyes. At this stage, I mainly focus on the line drawing. Drawing the hair isn't as hard as people think. I personally just follow the directions of the hair. Alright, now that I'm satisfied with the line art, it's time for shading. First, I erase all the lines that I don't need anymore. I mostly start with the nose. At this early stage, I avoid going too dark. Instead, I use soft shading to define the form. An HB pencil is perfect for this task. With the lips, I start by adding a local value, a little darker than the nose, and add a highlight. The underside should be the darkest dark because it's an occlusion shadow. Now I'm working on the eyes. I strengthen the line weights first. Then I slowly build up the shading. Notice how I draw the left side. The reason is because I don't want to smudge the paper. That means I can also draw the hair at the same time. I do what feels right at that time. When I shade the hair, I simply follow the directions of the hair or the rhythm lines. Now I am building the overall shading of the face. I am very selective about what to shade. Not every single detail matters. And when I shade, I don't rush. I find the planes to draw and decide on the hatching technique. This makes the drawing look stylized. At this stage, I am adding final details and increasing contrast. This is what really brings the portrait to life. However, this drawing took me about 30 minutes, so there wasn't much refining going on, except maybe for the eyes. And this is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want longer version, full-length tutorials, and deeper lessons, check out my Patreon. There is the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.